Another day in paradise in beautiful Las Vegas. And we're all happy to be here. That's what I know. John's son is here, which is really nice. Taking me a little off my game because I'm so into what I do. I don't normally entertain. And John's son is our son, actually. And doesn't... he's a fantastic person, and so happy to have him here and being with him. So anyway, that's what's going on with me. And I also had a couple other things that happened this weekend. I saw a very moving movie, and the movie was about a golfer who just broke down, was ready to win the tournament and broke down on the last hole, choked, as they say. And then he went on his way to just go away, and he ended up in a place and found, I don't know if you believe in divine intervention, but I believe God sent him where he went, and he does too. But the point is, he understood finally what see, feel, and trust is. And that is so important in our lives, that we do see, feel, and trust. We see what we want, and then we feel how to get it, and we trust that we're going to. Just little words of encouragement. You know, I also listened to Tony Robbins, and Jim Rohn taught him that you've got to get your mind right. You've got to get your mind right. You've got to know where you're headed in life and be happy. Do something every day that makes you happy. Do something every day that is, you know, that you've scheduled, and it's going to get you to where you want to be. Not difficult, not difficult. The consistency is the difficult part. We talked last week that 10% of it is knowing what to do. 90% is being in the execution stage. So let's see what's going on in July here. What did we have? We had 141 sales a day, which is awesome. And yesterday we listed Saturday and Sunday, we listed 158 homes, which is really awesome because 50 of those were under 400,000. Now I'm going to wait till a week or so before I update the median price, because I think it jumped a little bit, but we'll see. I'm anxious to look at the final stats. I don't want to reveal right now until I know for sure, but I think that we're in good shape. And we have 1,071 single family homes under 400,000 that are active. And that's really good news. We have we've sold $954 million homes, which is up to 4.5 a day. And we have 505 available. And that's another wonderful thing. The other good news is that you put 121 under contract over the weekend. So we have 25 days of inventory. It's slanting a little bit toward 26 days of inventory right now.